Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're diving into what we consider the best pool ladder steps on the market. The Goovilla Pool Ladder Steps Replacement. A 3-pack of 18-inch heavy-duty molded plastic rungs that are taking pool safety and durability to the next level. Let's begin by unpacking what makes this product stand out. The Goovilla Pool Ladder Steps are crafted from high-quality ABS plastic. That's not your average plastic. ABS is stronger, more resilient, and more impact-resistant than traditional PP materials. It's specifically chosen for its enhanced toughness, making it ideal for constant exposure to chlorinated pool water, sunlight, and repeated usage. When you're stepping on these every day during a summer swim, you want confidence in that durability. And that durability doesn't just come from the plastic. Goovilla includes 6 stainless steel bolts with the package, ensuring the hardware won't rust or corrode over time, even underwater. That's a huge bonus, because not all replacements offer stainless steel hardware, and that really matters in the long run. Now let's talk about structure and safety. These ladder steps are supported by a 4-beam internal reinforcement design. That's a big deal. Most generic pool steps use only 2 or 3 beams, but Goovilla goes a step further, literally, providing better load distribution and making the rungs feel stable and secure. Each step can hold up to 300 pounds, which is a strong vote of confidence for families or frequent users. When it comes to safety, these steps also shine with their slip-resistant design. Instead of a flat, blank surface or a basic rectangle, Goovilla uses a curved shape with a polka dot texture that spans the entire surface of the step. The middle portion of the curve actually increases contact between your foot and the step, which means you're much less likely to slip, even when your feet are wet. That added grip makes a real difference, especially for kids or older adults. Installation? A breeze. The product comes with 3 ladder steps, 6 bolts, 6 nuts, and a straightforward manual. Everything you need is in the box. Whether you're handy or not, you can replace your old steps in just a few minutes with basic tools. No guesswork, no scrambling for parts at the hardware store. The universal 18-inch size fits most 1.9-inch diameter ladders, which makes it compatible with the majority of in-ground and above-ground pool ladders. And it's not just for pools. You could use it for spas, hot springs, or even other climbing setups where that step support is needed. In terms of aesthetics, the gray color offers a sleek, neutral look that blends into most pool environments without looking cheap or distracting. It's a small detail, but for those who care about the visual cohesion of their poolside area, it makes a difference. To wrap up, if you're looking for a pool ladder step replacement that delivers on strength, safety, and simplicity, Goovilla absolutely delivers. From its durable ABS build to its slip-resistant design and easy installation, it's a reliable and smart upgrade for your pool ladder setup. That's it for today's deep dive on Product Critique. If you're interested in giving your pool ladder a much-needed upgrade, the Goovilla Pool Ladder Steps Replacement is your best bet. See you in the next review.